rather ironic that for one of 99-cent adhesive ducks, a girl might die in a fiery car crash.
I wish Penny didn't have to work. She loves camping.
Yeah, that would have been great. You and Penny having sex in the tent while I sit out here and watch Howard hump a cactus.
Okay, the best I can tell, there are 8 other campsites nearby, mostly science nerds like us. But just over yon ridge are 2 not unattractive middle school teachers who